Register now.
Hi guys, hope all of you are doing great. And yes guys, happy Diwali to all of you. And yes guys, so we have come up with a new session जिसपे क्वेश्चन नंबर 78 का हम पेज नंबर 78 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2 करेंगे, ठीक है. तो गाइस यू ऑल नो बायोलॉजी में वी आर डूइंग सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ एनसीईआरटी. विल बी लाइक सर चैप्टर, बेटा चैप्टर हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द चैप्टर ऑलरेडी, तो यू कैन गो एंड वॉच all the chapters guys. Cell का हमने पूरा करा है. We have done tissues, we have completed, why do we fall ill also. Yes guys, so today we are going to do NCERT solutions page number 78 का question number 1 and 2. We are completing all the questions guys in the NCERT, and as you all know you can get 50% discount guys if you use the code ARPRO for Diwali. Yes, here we are celebrating Diwali in Vedantu, so you can use the code ARPRO to get 50% discount, extra 50% discount. It's amazing courses पे. Why is Vedantu course amazing? Is because we provide you with, we guarantee 100% score improvement guys. 100% score improvement for all the grades. Are you getting my point? Subject मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि physics, chemistry, maths पढ़ा रहे हैं. Like bio, science, SST, Hindi, English, Hindi नहीं पढ़ा, sorry English पढ़ाते हैं. So yes, we are covering everything guys. So it is an amazing course. So if you were getting say I guess 50% अगर आपके स्कोर आ रहे थे ना, you will definitely cross 70%. If you are getting 70%, you will definitely cross 80%. If you are getting 80%, you will definitely cross 90%. So this is the improvement guarantee which we provide to you guys. So already few months are left. So I will I will tell you, I will strongly recommend you, अगर आपके स्कूल वगैरह कोचिंग नहीं जा रहे हो and if you can afford this, you can definitely go for it. Define the term tissue. What's a tissue guys? Yes, what's a tissue? Come on, पहले लिखने की कोशिश करो. Try to write it yourself. Tissue is collection of cell which perform similar function. है ना? तो क्या है? What is a tissue? Tissue is a collection of cells which perform similar function. है ना? अब क्या क्वेश्चन खत्म हो गया? No, we have to write examples बेटा. Example क्या? We will write only animal example. No, we will write plant example. We will write meristematic tissue. Example is meristematic tissue. Right? In plants you can write animal tissues में you can write epithelial tissue. आपको अगर और भी ऐड करना है, यू कैन राइट मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू हेल्प्स इन ग्रोथ ऑफ अ प्लांट, whereas epithelial tissue, what does it do? It helps in, what does epithelial tissue do guys? It helps in, yes, protection. It helps in protection of the plants. It helps in protection, है ना? It is found in the lining of the tubules. It is found in the absorption areas, है ना? So you can add to any number of points depending upon the marks allotted for that. If it is a 2 marker, 2 points will be sufficient. If it is a 3 marker, 3 points. 5 markers, the 5 pointers. So you should write, मतलब expand करते जाओ, कहानी सुनाते जाओ टीचर को, so that the teacher will be bored कि यार अब तो उसको दे ही देते हैं मार्क्स, ठीक है? उपसी ये क्या हो गया? Yes, a group of similar structures that work together to perform a particular function. What's the neuron? What's the tissue, guys? It is a group of similar structures that work together to perform a particular function. If you can see, work together to perform a particular function. Example: human nervous system, है ना, nerve cells, है ना, which are structurally and functionally similar to each other. Example, देखो इसमें बस animal का example दिया. You can add the plant का example also. है ना बेटा? Very good. Then here's the next question, oopsie, which says how many types of elements together make up the xylem, है ना? Name them. बताओ. How many types of elements together make up the xylem tissue? Xylem tissue क्या होता है बेटा? First we will write what's a xylem tissue. Xylem tissue helps in transportation of water and minerals. Xylem tissue helps in transportation of water and minerals. है ना बेटा? Now what are the components? अब then you will write components of xylem are. What are they, guys? Tell me. One is xylem vessel. And we have xylem tracheids. Then we have xylem fiber, and we have xylem parenchyma. Out of these, guys, out of these all, see, these three are dead cell and only xylem parenchyma is living part. Out of these are three are dead and the only parenchyma is living. But apart from that, what else you can add? You can add xylem is a complex tissue. अगर मान लो और भी लिखना है, और भी ज़्यादा लिखने का मन हो रहा है, तो what will you write? Xylem is a complex tissue because it is made up of more than one type of cell. Xylem tissue is a complex tissue made up of more than one type of cell. For example, these are the four things you can write. Complex tissue is a keyword here. What is the complex tissue? Complex tissue is a keyword. Okay, guys, if you want to add, now this question has come over here. So don't you think you should also know about phloem? Phloem and its components. What's a phloem vessel, beta? Phloem tissue is a tissue which helps in transportation of food. Which has the transportation of food. What are the components of phloem? Phloem is also complex tissue. What are the components? Sieve tube, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Out of these, the three are living, only one is dead. Here, three are dead, one is living. Okay, guys. So yeah, do remember these things. These are very important. And yes, moving forward, you should draw diagrams also. You can draw diagrams also, guys. ठीक है? कैसे बनाओगे diagram? मैं बताता हूँ आपको. देखो. How will you draw diagram for this? You can draw diagram like this. Oopsie, acha. Yes, you can draw a diagram like this. Then there are cells. Then you can draw like this. Oh, मैं तो वो बनाने लग गया था. मैं तो phloem बनाने लग गया था. तो गाइस सी, इसमें आप बना सकते हो ऐसे वेसल्स. वेसल्स मतलब ऐसे, दिस इज वेसल्स. यू कैन ड्रॉ समथिंग लाइक दिस कॉल्ड एज ट्रकीड. ठीक है. देन देयर इज पैरेनकाइमा, एक नॉर्मल सा सेल बना दो, प्लांट सेल. ठीक है बेटा. एंड यू कैन राइट फाइबर्स लाइक दिस. यू कैन ड्रॉ फाइबर, है ना. इसके बॉर्डर्स को थिक कर दो. जस्ट थिकन द बॉर्डर एंड कॉल इट एज फाइबर. यस yes guys, so do let me know guys. वो मैंने बनाया था जो पहले, that was phloem. Phloem में क्या होता है? Sieve tubes, companion cells, fibers and parenchyma. I know it. Great job. So guys, cells of the tissue functioning a common function. Can you see these guys are performing a common function of carrying the coffin? ठीक है. तो they are important. They work in a coordinated way. That is why they are very important. Yes guys, as I told you, there is 50% discount this Diwali season on Vedantu. If you, your family, friends, anyone was planning to buy, do opt for this. And yes guys, we have done already page number 77, question number 1 and 2. Page number 77 का 3 और 4 आज हमने 78 का भी कर लिया. तो guys subscribe to the channel because you're gonna get amazing content. कितने जन सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा, जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर लो. And yes, do like the video, share it with your friends, and you can write to me at amrit.raj@vedantu.com and keep smiling guys and stay amazing. Bye. Have a great day.